Russia's SAM surface-to-air missile systems remain consistent targets for GMLRS rockets due to their significant cost and susceptibility. These systems are deployed with the aim of suppressing Ukraine's drone army and air force. However, they face difficulties when dealing with surveillance drones capable of transmitting their coordinates, making them vulnerable. The static nature of these SAM systems leaves them exposed to Jerry's rockets, characterized by their small size, minimal radar cross-section, and high-speed ballistic trajectory, often exceeding Mach 2 with steep attack angles. The lack of mobility results in insufficient response time or outright misses. A recent incident exemplifying this involves the Buck M2 SAM system struck by an interception missile, resulting in a dramatic display resembling late New Year's fireworks.